Hello student, good morning. Today we are learning in this session is a chemical reactions and equations. Okay, this is third chapter in physical science and technology part 1. See why study chemical reactions? See, before starting the lesson, see, so many questions is arising in your mind. So many questions. See, why study chemical reactions? Why study chemical reactions? Why to study these chemical reactions? See here, keep food keep few days. See, food will be rotten. See, food will be spoiled. Means here is a chemical reaction is a occurring. Food will be spoiled. See, on the food it is a growing the fungus also. Fungus is a growing on the food. Next we have to see the medicine. For example, we are taking the medicines. The chemical reaction is occurring in our body. For example, we are taking the medicines. The medicines is a, for example, headache, stomach pain. What will happen? It will be cured within a few days, within a few hours, within a few minutes. It will be cured. See, medicine also, it is a doing our chemical reactions. Chemical reaction is a takes place and it will be cured. Plant. We have to see the plants. In the plant, it is occurring the photosynthesis. Plant. Photosynthesis is occurring. Photosynthesis. See, taking the carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, preparing the carbohydrate. And releasing the oxygen. See, here is a plant is taking the carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. It is a carbohydrate. We are getting the as a food. See, this is a food. This is a oxygen. See, it is a so many chemical reaction is a occurring. See, next we are breathing air for survival of our life. We are breathing the air. See, we are taking the food plus oxygen. See, what will happen? Chemical reaction is occurring. Chemical reaction is occurring. And what said here? See, break down the food molecules. And here, next we have to see the in digestive system also digestion of food substances. Different types of enzymes is helping to the digestion of food substances. Juices is helping to the digestion of food substances. These all are chemical reactions. Next we have to see the battery. Battery cell is there. Nippo everyday battery cells. The battery cells also helping to conducting the electricity. See, this like battery also helping. Means here also chemical reaction is occurring. For example, in the battery cell, it is a magnesium chloride. Is using as a chemical. See, here is a reaction is occurring when the torch bulb will be glowing. See, this like chemical reaction is occurring in car. See, car for we are using the petrol, diesel, next CNG. See, this like fuels is using the, if I using the fuel, what will happen? The energy is generating here. The car will be run. Car will be moved one place to another place. See, here while moving, it is so many changes is occurring. So many changes is occurring. Chemical reactions and observation. What do you observe while it is moving? And digestion of food substances also. It is so many day to day in our life. This like reactions is seeing or observing. Next, chemical reactions and observations. Chemical reactions and observations. Chemical reaction and observations. What observing? Name. See, nature of this identifying of initial substance have some what changes. Some what changes. What changing? Change in state, change in color. See, we have to see the change in state, change in color. Okay. What is evaluation of gas? Evaluation of gas. Next, what's it? Change in temperature. Change in temperature. See, we have to see the chemical reaction. While chemical reaction occurring, what will happen? Change in state. See, solid state to liquid, liquid state to gas. See, this like changes is occurring. Change in color. See, white color to grey color. See, this like different colors is changing. Like evaluation of gas. So it is so many gases also evolved. Means is releasing in our atmosphere. See, this like evaluation of gases. Change in temperature. Temperature also changing. See, this like chemical reactions we should learn. Have you understood now? See, yes, we have to learn these chemical reactions. Next, what said here? Next, chemical reactions activity here is there. Chemical reaction activity. We have to learn the activity here. What said? See, clean a magnesium ribbon about the 2 centimeter long by rubbing with sandpaper. We have to take first of all what is a ribbon, magnesium ribbon. We have to clean with sandpaper and hold with a pair of tongues on the flame. What will happen? It is for example, we have to see here. See, this is a ribbon. Okay. I want to draw. See, this is a magnesium ribbon. Okay. See, and here okay. See, this is a burner and this is a magnesium ribbon. Okay, see, this is a magnesium ribbon. Okay, now we have to see the holder. Holder is there, no? We have to draw the holder also. See, it's like holder. Holding. What will happen here? See, while burning, it is a evaluation of gas. The spirit lamp, we have to take the burner. See, collect the ash. See, here is a here ash is a falling towards the down. Okay, and evaluation of gas also dazzling. So this light. See, okay, this light. Gases. Okay, what will happen? The burning of the magnesium ribbon. What do you observe? Magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling white flame. See, dazzling white flame. White flame. And releasing the gases, what's it, and change into the ash powder. See, we have to collect the, this is a ash powder. Ash powder. Powder. Have you observed the magnesium ribbon? Yes, you observed last year. Magnesium ribbon, it is forming the ash. Next, what said here? Magnesium. So the magnesium ribbon react with the air. See, for example, magnesium react with oxygen and here form the magnesium oxide. See, magnesium oxide. Okay, this like forming magnesium oxide. See, this is a magnesium oxide is a ash. We have to write the here as in the presence of heat. In the presence of heat. Okay, in the presence of heat. See, magnesium ribbon. Magnesium is a metal. It is a burning in the presence of oxygen and heat. It will be producing the magnesium oxide. See, this magnesium oxide is a ash. We have to collect the dish. Next, we have to see the here magnesium powder. Magnesium is a type of ash. We are calling the magnesium oxide MgO. Now we have to learn the chemical reactions, reactant and product. Chemical reactions, reactant and product. See, this is a very important. See, what is reactant? What is product? What's it? The substance that undergo chemical change. Reactant means the substance which undergo chemical changes See, we are calling the reactant change in the reaction. Okay, see, this is a reactant. Always we have to write the reactant on left side. Okay, next we have to see the product. What is product? See, the new substances formed during the reactions. The new substances formed during the reaction. Okay. See here, we already learned a activity. Magnesium ribbon. See here, magnesium react with the oxygen. Okay, magnesium react with the oxygen in the presence of heat. In the presence of heat, and here form the magnesium oxide. Okay, see here, magnesium oxide is a product, and see, this magnesium and oxygen is a reactant. We have to write first of all reactant. And product. See, have you observed the magnesium? Magnesium is a metal. See, we are with the help of the tongue, we are keeping on the flame or burner. What will happen? Magnesium ribbon is a burn in the presence of oxygen. Okay, here form the magnesium oxide. This magnesium oxide is their state is a changes. See, this state is a solid is there. Magnesium state is a solid, and oxygen state is a gases in nature. We have to see the here magnesium oxide also solid, but it is a powder like substances is formed. We are calling it is a quite opposite. Reactant is a different and product also different. See, this is a magnesium oxide. Next we have to see the number of examples take. Writing chemical reactions also. Next we have to see the another one example. Carbon dioxide plus water. See, plants is taking the carbon dioxide from atmosphere, water through root. See, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, see here form the carbohydrate C6H12O6 plus O2. Okay, here is a gas is evolved. Now we have to see the okay. See here, carbon dioxide from atmosphere through root water and preparing the carbohydrate, making glucose and releasing the oxygen gases. See, see the reactant product is a different is there. Okay, this is a reactant and a product. See, writing the chemical equation. We have to write the chemical equations now. Next, chemical equations. Chemical equations. Magnesium plus oxygen. We already completed. Carbon monoxide and hydrogen plus hydrogen. See what will happen here? So it is a CH3 OH will be formed. OH will be formed. See here reactant and product is a different. See carbon monoxide is a gas in nature. H2 also gas in nature. See we have to their state also we have to learn. Next here from the 340 atmosphere. Okay, here form. Next we have to see the another carbon dioxide already learned. See once carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. See here from the C6H12O6 plus O2 J releasing. Okay, see these are chemical equations. Next we have to learn the state of chemicals. State of chemicals. What state is there? Why do you writing the S, L and gases in state? See for example, we have to learn the AQ. AQ writing this line. Why? It is a aqueous solutions. The substances which dissolve in this water. See, we are calling the aqueous solutions. The aqueous solution, for example, we have in the aqueous solution we have to take the water. See in a beaker of water, okay, see this is a total water is there, but if we add the sodium chloride here, NaCl, sodium chloride, the ions will be, see this like forming Na plus Cl minus, means the salt is dissolved in the water. We are calling the aqueous solutions. Next we have to see the L also indicating. L means liquid in nature. Liquid in nature. Next we are indicating the G. See number of gases also releasing. Gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, oxygen, hydrogen. This like gases evolved while say reaction is occurring. Next what say here? See, next we have to learn the balanced chemical equations.